Welcome to the Coromandel, a slice of paradise that's calling your name. Picture this. You kick off your adventure in Thames, an old gold mining town that's bursting with history. You'll stroll through the streets on a historical walking tour, stopping at the Thames School of Mines and diving into the gold mine experience. It's not just a tour, it's like stepping back in time. After soaking in the rich past, you'll retreat to a cozy boutique B&B like Cotswold Cottage, where the hillside views will take your breath away. And don't even get me started on the food. Grab a bite at the Grahamstown Bar and Diner, or indulge in artisan coffee and fresh meals at the Depot. On day 2, we're heading to Water Beach and Cathedral Cove. Imagine digging your hot pool right on the beach. Yes, it's as cool as it sounds. And Cathedral Cove? It's one of those iconic spots that begs for a photo op. Whether you hike there or take a boat ride, you'll be enchanted by the stunning views. For a cozy stay, the Water Beach Top 10 Holiday Park is calling your name, and local seafood at the Poorhouse will satisfy your cravings. On day 3, Whitianga awaits. This charming coastal town is perfect for relaxation at the Lost Spring, a luxurious geothermal spa. Plus, immerse yourself in Maori culture with a guided tour that dives deep into the area's legends and customs. When it's time to unwind, Ocean's Resort Whitianga offers modern amenities with breathtaking views. And don't forget to savor the local dishes at Salt Restaurant and Bar. As we wrap up our journey on day 4, the Driving Creek Railway takes you through lush, native forest, and the Coromandel Coastal Walkway offers stunning coastal views. Stay at Coromandel's Top 10 Holiday Park or one of the charming lodges, and refuel at Peppertree Restaurant and Bar, where local ingredients shine. Finally, on day 5, explore the Coromandel Farmers Market for local produce and art, and walk the stunning trails of Karangahake Gorge. Lunch at Ohainamuri Estate Winery will be the cherry on top of your adventure. So, what are you waiting for? The Coromandel is a beautiful blend of nature, culture, and unforgettable experiences just waiting to be explored.